Why you should get a dash cam.
Hey Race, why? You see driver at a complete stop. You even see the woman cross the crosswalk. Clearly, the driver is at a stop. Now watch what happens to driver as police officer pulls him over. Now here comes officer lying about running the red light.
Southwestern College Police Department. The reason why I'm stopping you, sir, is that stop sign. You drove right through it without even stopping.
Did I? Because I have a camera.
Really?
Yes.
You want to show me the camera?
Yes, sir.
Now that's the reason. Why, my friends, too. Protect yourself. And save you from all that unnecessary headache. Check my links in my bio. I have discounted best dash cams for 2022. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Until next episode.